Hello and welcome back to Cycle Fab. I'm Larry. In today's video, I have a new product, and it came about because of a job I have coming up. I have a piece of expanded metal that I have to powder coat, and it's a pretty good surface area. So the diffuser and the column that I normally use to do small parts doesn't work very well for this because it concentrates too much powder in one area because, you know, it's meant to do small parts. So I came up with an idea for a fan tip, fan nozzle, actually is what I call it in the description. This is it right here. This is on the end of the EASTWOOD. Yeah, and that's a 5/16 inch slot in the end of this thing. And I'll give you a better close-up of it, you know, here. And as you can see, this one for the EASTWOOD is dyed. And the one for the Harbor Freight is, you know, left in the white. The reason why is because, well, so I can distinguish the difference between the two before I ship them out. You know, I'd hate to get them confused and send the wrong one to the wrong customer. Anyway, these things work great. It took me a couple of times to get the slot dimensions right. It was too wide at first, and then I just kind of started going down until it got too small. And 5/16, yeah, it seemed to work okay. So that's what this video is about, and it just basically slips on. I mean, you just line it up. Now you either make this horizontal or vertical, doesn't matter. It twists on there, but it's just a friction fit and goes right on. Now, if you're running my diffuser, that has to come off to get this to work because it just won't fit with the diffuser on there. But it does seem to work pretty well without the diffuser. Of course, you know, you're lacking the diffuser and it doesn't charge the particles as well as what it did, but it does work fine as far as putting out that fan look and, you know, covering a lot of area this way and not so much this way. So anyway, I just want to let you guys know that if you want to pick one of these up, just go down the descriptions below and you'll find all the diffusers down there with the columns, the mixing tube for the Harbor Freight, and also these guys right here, okay? The fan nozzles. And click on that, take you directly to eBay, and you can pick one up for yourself. Now, I want to show you how this works, and I've got a little setup over here, and so let's move on over there, and I'll give you a demonstration. By the way, if you're liking this video, please hit that like button, go ahead and subscribe, and hit that notification bell while you're at it so you know when my next video is coming out. Oh, and something else, by the way, I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. And as a matter of fact, when this video comes out, I probably will be at 1,000 subscribers, and I just want to say thank you, really, from the bottom of my heart, to all of you who come back and watch my channel, hit the subscribe button for all you new guys, and, you know, help me keep this channel going, really. So I appreciate that. Now, let's get on with the demo. Okay, we're ready to do our demo now. Now, this is just a test piece that I have up here. This is not the piece that I'll be manufacturing for the customer. The powder I'll be using today is by Prismatic powder. It's called polished aluminum. This powder only goes into the oven for 10 minutes at 375. I've used it before in a previous video. I'll put that link down below so you can watch it if you want to. But it's actually a beautiful powder. The finished product is, well, looks like aluminum. Now, I'll be using the Harbor Freight on this demo. And if y'all want, I can also do one on the EASTWOOD with the fan nozzle. Anyway, but they both work the same, so, and they both flow the same. You'll get, you know, just the same video basically, except I'll be using the EASTWOOD. So let's go ahead and get with this and see how it does. I think it'll work out great. Here's just a demo of what the fan actually looks like, pattern-wise. Yeah, there you go. There's a good view of it right there. Now let's see what it looks like on the actual part. I got some really good coverage on that. Much better than what it would have been with the diffuser and the column that I normally use. This does put out a wider, flat fan, so They covered this very nicely, very nicely. I really don't see any parts that I missed. Now I'm gonna go over this again just to make sure before I put it in the oven. Yeah, great. All right. Okay, so I'm really happy how the fan nozzle worked. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven, and then I'll show you the finished product after it bakes. Remember, this is Prismatic powders, polished aluminum. It's a new powder that they came out with, and you only put it in the oven at 375 for 10 minutes. That's it. This came out sweet. I mean, really nice, man. I love the way that new nozzle works. I got a good coverage on it, and it really didn't take me that long to spray it down. And you know, after you guys saw me last, I went ahead and flipped it around, did the other side, and then, like typical, you get wraparound powder, and it sticks, but I went ahead and, you know, put another layer on the back side. This came out great, really. Now, if this is going to be outside, you need to put a UV protector on it of a clear coat. I have some, it's in matte form. I think I'm gonna go ahead and order some gloss, high gloss, UV clear coat. Just, yeah, I don't know, see what it looks like. But I wanna give you guys some close-ups of this, and then I'm gonna give you some really close-ups. I've got some new lenses for my camera, so I can do that now. Hopefully it'll focus. But I mean, just right here, what you're seeing, me holding this up, doesn't do it justice. This is nice. This came out really nice. I want to use this powder more often on future projects just because it turned out so well. Yeah, you can get this from Prismatic. Order number on it is P764500. Now, I'll put that down in the description below if you guys are interested in getting any of it and want to try it out or have some home projects that you want to use it on. I'm definitely going to use it some more, that's for sure. Now, also down below in the description, you'll find the links for my fan nozzle. And this thing worked great. It worked just like I expected it to, and just like I designed it to. And it's for the Eastwood and also the Harbor Freight. Eastwood is blue, Harbor Freight's white. Anyway, again, I want to thank you guys. Should be at 1,000 subscribers by the time this video uploads and y'all get to see it. And I just want to say thank you. Thank you for all of you who come back to my channel, subscribe, or subscribe the first time you come to my channel. Now, there's a lot of you out there that keep coming back to my channel that haven't subscribed. Actually, about 95%. And only about 5% of you actually subscribe, but that's okay. And I just want to say thanks, really. Thank you very much. Now, I'll be doing videos more often instead of once every 2 weeks. I've been able to schedule it now, especially since my subscribers are up, to going back to doing one a week. And what I plan on doing is bringing you different prismatic powders. I want to concentrate on that for a while and just get it out there to y'all that my difficulty was when looking at powder for a project, you know, you have kind of a limited view of it. So that's one reason why I went and bought some different lenses so you can get a close-up, better view and better lighting, and, you know, have a more informed decision other than just, well, you know, I'll order some powder, see how it works, and then find out, nah, it's not what I really wanted. So I'll be bringing a series of videos to you with prismatic powders, just showing you different ones. And if you guys want to see one or the other, you know, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to bring it to you. Now, as far as the fractured cherry goes, I have not done any more with that. So no illusion series. I got to practice with those. So I will see you guys next week, and I'll be trying to upload on Saturdays now instead of Sundays. So y'all take care, and again, thank you. See y'all later. Oh, and by the way, here's some close-ups.